Divisibility by 11. Rule: a number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits in the odd place value and even place value is a multiple of 11, including 0. The count of place values is done from right to left. Thus, the unit place value is the first, the tenth place value is the second, and so on. For example, 9471 is divisible by 11 because 1 and 4 are in the odd place values, while 7 and 9 are in the even place value. Hence, we have 1 plus 4 minus 7 plus 9 equals 5 minus 16 equals minus 11, which is a multiple of 11. On the other hand, 37,846 is not divisible by 11 because 6 plus 8 plus 3 minus 4 plus 7 equals 17 minus 11 is equal to 6. This number is not divisible by 11. Let's prove this with a calculator. We have 9471 divided by 11 is equal to 861, and 37,846 divided by 11 is equal to 3,440.5454. That is all for lesson 1.6.11. To continue this tutorial, please watch 1.6.12, Divisibility by 12. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.